How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this Plusinno fishing rod and reel combination. This is a carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod, and it comes with a reel. There are two different kits you can order. You can order just the reel and the rod, or you can order complete kits that come with cases as well as small tackle boxes. So go ahead and check those out because they are an option. Now this is, like I said, just the reel and rod combination. It is telescopic and it is carbon fiber. In the package you're going to receive the rod, a packaged case to hold the rod, but it does not fit the reel. You'll receive a tip protector for the rod. You'll receive a fishing rod hook keeper that will attach here on the handle. Kind of a nifty thing is you're able to put your hook in it so you can keep your fishing string all connected. And then you're going to receive the reel itself. Now, first feeling on the reel is it is pretty decent quality. One of my favorite features on it that I found is there is a trigger right here that you can pull and fold this handle to make it even more compact. A lot of other ones you have to loosen this nut to make this collapse, but like I said, it's just a trigger right here. You push it and it goes. And as you can see, when you spin it, it does keep going. The drag works great, as well as all of that. Now when you receive this, it is going to come in pieces, but it is very easy to install. It's just like any other rod and reel set. You're going to slide it into this flat part, lock it in here, and then thread these nuts down to lock it in place. There is a rubber O-ring right here, kind of acting like a locking nut or a locking washer to make sure that these nuts don't back off. Now once that reel is installed on the rod, you can see that this does telescope. Now collapsed length on this is about 15 to 16 inches, as I'll show you right here. Tip to the back is about 15.25 inches long. When it is fully extended, it is 6 feet long, and it does have 5 stages and 5 eyelets right here that are all smooth and brass on the inside. Very, very high quality looking. And as you can see there, it is fully extended at that 6 feet. Feels really nice in the hand. There is some foam right here on the back of the handle. Really, really comfortable. And just like that, it is fully collapsed again. This is really handy for traveling and for tight spaces. Really, really convenient rod. My favorite part is that you get a 6-foot rod that collapses down to that 15 to 16 inch range, and it looks beautiful while doing it. So go check out the Plusinno fishing rod and reel combination. Like I said, they offer other kits, so make sure you check all those out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped answer some questions. Have a great day.